What's your name?
Enrico Zelioli.
What is your role in the staff of Energica?
I'm manager of the design engineering department.
Tell us about your relevant experiences.
I was born in Modena, where I graduated in mechanical engineering. I always work on motorcycle industry, first in racing, in the World Championship of road racing bike, and then to small production with CRS and Patron, and then I moved to mass production with MV Agusta and the BMW Squarna. My most important project has been the Squarna New 900. I am the dad and mom of the bike because I followed the project from the beginning, from the white sheet of paper to the mass production inside the BMW group. It was a really important experience for me, for my professional life, because I have developed a bike inside the BMW structures, facilities, according to the BMW standards, so I gained some experience of large industries.
What's your duty in the Energica team?
I am responsible for the design engineering. We develop inside the CRP the most important parts of the bike, the chassis, the swing arm, engine, housing, distribution, battery box. But I have also a different role because coming from my experience in BMW in project management, I am responsible for planning and organization of the team to achieve our time targets. And so my experience in the large industry, due to this experience, I have the duty to move the prototype in a mass production product.
Why did you choose to collaborate at this project?
It's a real interesting project because I am a motorcycle lover and I have a lot of books about motorcycles, and one evening I was looking to a book of classic bikes and I thought that in the motorcycle world everything has been already invented at the beginning of the 20th century, because the pioneers of motorcycle has already investigated all the possible concepts. For the engineers of the new millennium, there is only the opportunity to improve what they have already invented some years ago. But electric is a new opportunity, something completely new to be investigated, and I'm really proud to be part of this.
What are the differences between Energica project and the other electric two-wheels projects?
Energica is not a scooter. Large industries needs large volumes to repay all the investment cost of their big structures, and so they will focus on scooters and urban mobility. We want to make something different. We want to make a super bike, super sport, a really fast bike where you can get fun and get really emotions for your motorcycle.
What's your point of view of the electric motorcycle market, and which role will Energica play in that?
The main role, because electric is a necessity for the world. All the leading countries such as United States or Japan, they have already electric on the road. It's already a reality because it's a need for the environment and for ecology. We want to transform electric in a choice for our customer because our bike is a sport bike and you can get fun and not only no emission.
What are the weakness points and the strength points of Energica project?
Weakness point is, of course, autonomy, because we have a lot of power and everybody knows about autonomy of electrics. Energica will never be a globetrotter, but anyway, in the daily use, if you think about the daily use of a standard customer, autonomy is not a problem.
What difference does CRP Group experience make behind the Energica project?
Of course, definitely really important to have CRP behind the Energica project, because CRP created its know-how working with the best Formula One teams, and so it's a small company but used to work to be at the top, and so there is the Formula One DNA inside Energica.
Thanks a lot.
Welcome.